Hi everyone. So today we have the Audi RS3 with us. So this car comes with a 2.5 liters 5-cylinder TFSI turbocharged engine, so producing 394 brake horsepower and 480 Nm of torque. So based on a 7-speed S-tronic transmission, it will do the century sprint in about 4.1 seconds. So hereby, let's take a look how the century sprint goes about. So isn't it cool? So coming with this car, it's packed with a 19-inch sports rims, stock version, RS Sport exhaust, and RS Sport suspension. Comes with a Audi virtual cockpit as well. Bang & Olufsen surround sound system, MMI navigation, electric seats, and not forgetting the most important part, one of the fun part, the pedal shifters. So this car is actually on low mileage. It has been running for about 20,000 kilometers. So it's a relatively new car, registered in 2018. So a compact sedan, but it will definitely give you the power when you drive it. So don't be afraid to lose out in traffic or doing pickups. Definitely you'll love the drive of this Audi RS3. So for more information on this car or for a viewing, do contact MV Auto